in Miracel. Have you experienced the miracle already? Yes! Ayun naman talaga. Mayroon din silang sariling testimonies. Okay, ano bang susunod na gagawin natin, Ate SB?
Yes, we know that we have a lot of testimonies na pwede natin ikwento with our friends and relatives. But this time, we want to hear a very powerful testimony from one of the most established members of Revolution. Okay? And we want to hear from him and we want to learn from him. And we hope that this testimony will bring hope to those who are looking for, alam mo yun, yung medyo hopeless na. But this time, I want you to listen. And I know that this testimony will help a lot of people. Kung hindi man kayo, it will help a lot of your relatives, of your friends, of people that you would remember. So, huwag na natin matagalin. Tawagin na natin ang magbibigay ng kanyang testimony. Wala kong ba? Si Dr.
Jaime Jojo Losterio Jr. He is an nutritional immunology specialist. Ladies and gentlemen, masigabong palakpakan para kay Dr. Jojo.
Good morning! Good morning! I actually came from Butuan City, so that's very far back, right? Anyway, matagal na po na panahon na ako'y nagkaroon ng lecture on stem cell therapy. And this time, sabi ko sa kanila kahapon, I'm going to deliver my testimony. I do not know if I'm going to be very emotional about it, or I may probably change the tide when it comes to the emotions of everyone. Because when I was still studying my master's in New York University, and then I finished my doctorate degree in University of Shanghai, I remember that my professor, who happens to be fourth-time Nobel Prize nominated scientist in the field of immunology, she said that even if you are actually taking good care of your immune system, you would still not give yourself the assurance that you're not gonna get any infection or diseases. And since then, I already started taking good care of my immune system. And one of the most miraculous products that I have been retaining is no less than Miracel Plus. Ladies and gentlemen, I may show you 4 months ago, which means that's about August of this year. Ito po yung tsura ko. Ayan po. 4 months ago, I was diagnosed of encephalopathy, which is a group of diseases. And in my case, that group of disease was focused on my lungs and on my stomach and on my brain to go out. But if I may play the video, nakita ko yung video, tumutugtog ba yung video niya? Hindi tumutugtog yung video. So yan na po ako. And then, ang problema kasi ng doktor, for the benefit of our guests, the problem with the doctor is when they're going to get sick. Who will they go to? They will also talk to doctors, right? So in my case, I have had 5 specialists. My head specialist was an infectious doctor who graduated in the US. And she told me, you're going to live in the next 48 hours only. 48 hours na po ang sabi niya sa family ko. So yung video na nakikita niyo, I was actually unconscious and what they do. Kasama ko kasi dito yung personal assistant ko na downline ko na sila naglalagay ng Miracel sa baba ng aking tila. I was unconscious but they're putting in 8 sachets of Miracel every day until I got about spirituality. I have been praying for a product that would be best to say that I am grateful for the life that God has given me. And I am grateful that Miracle came. Because when I was unconscious for 3 days, I had the chance to actually communicate with our Creator. And every time he would ask me for things that I would like to have, for example, money, love, hope, courage, faith, I would always say, I would choose family. I would choose family. On the second day, I again asked him the question if I am finally with my choice. So it's family. And on the third day, he said, this is the last time I'm going to ask you, what would you choose? Because I have seen myself already in the cafe. Doon ako sa cafe, nilagay ako dun sa loob. Iba yung ibababa ka sa baba. Then nung nag-black out, nung pag-ising ko, nakita ko yung sister ko. Then I told my sister, are you also dead like me? Then my sister said, no, you're alive. And I said, what? I'm alive. She said, yes, you're alive. And I said, I want to prove that I'm alive. And then she pressed me and he told me, you pressed me also. So we were pressing each other and said, oh my God, I'm alive. And I was asking her, because I still have kay GT ko, yung oxygen ko, so I was asking her, what about my medications and my Miracle? And she said, oh, we're giving you everything. And I said, oh, I owe it to my Creator, I owe it to my family. My family includes my removing family. Thank you so much, Mr. Thank you for such a wonderful topic. I wanted to hold my emotions, but I could not. You see, standing in front of you now, I was bedridden for 21 days. I could not walk. And my doctor was telling me, I can only walk after 3 months. And I can only go out and travel after another 3 months. So my schedule of traveling and doing my network would still be on February of next year. But this is a miracle. I am with you today. Perhaps some of the doctors, my colleagues in the profession, there are things in life that are very mysterious, but it has something to do with our choices. Ladies and gentlemen, Miracle or Rehoboth has been knocking on the doors of your heart. Yes. God gave it to us through our company. And today, it is in fact nasa inyo na po yung pagpipili. You know what? One thing I've learned and one thing I have always ingrained in my mind was the question that God has asked me. Or that phenomenon na sabi niya sa akin, everybody will face me. And when you face me, it's all about accountability. You're accountable to everything that you do. I don't care whoever you are, whatever you are, what you do in life. All I care is that I will face you, I will talk to you. You will not be point your hands and fingers to your mom, to your dad, to your brothers, to anyone. You can only face me and I will tell you if I know you or if I do not know you. And then God said, I have provided you everything in this world. It will be your choice to enjoy it or not. Ladies and gentlemen, this venue, this afternoon, or today, has been provided for us, for you. So I may ask for each and everyone to just give your round of applause and your gratefulness to everyone who organized this one, especially you. Sa lahat po na nag-pray para sa akin, I know that you were praying for me. However, it is always the fact that if you do your part, you do your part. On our part, honestly, we were computing for the amount that we're going to pay for Miracle. Kasi you see, in the Philippine money, it's equivalent to 250 pesos per sachet. So I was using 8 sachets per day. But then, that aspect of money is not comparable to the life that has been provided for all of us. Ladies and gentlemen, you want to enjoy the life that has been given to you. This day, you are going to really purchase a product of Miracell, a product of Revlip, because it is such a miracle. And if you want to experience a miracle, that wouldn't be tomorrow. It shouldn't be the next week, the next month. It is supposed to be right now, and right after this event. Thank you so much. God bless to all of you. I'm so thankful to all of you. However, hindi ko lang mapapay mo. Check it. Salamat na ako sa mga closest ko ng mga friends dito. Si Ma'am Parmasya, si Ma'am Debbie. Sana kasi si Sir Wendell. Where's Sir Wendell? Sir Wendell, si Ma'am Melvin, si G-Boy. Si Ma'am Tina, si Ma'am Edna. Si Ma'am nakalimutan ko. Sir Leo. Sir Leo, Mr. Felix. Sila ni Ma'am Shirley, kasama sa Mundi. Maraming salamat po. Hindi ko po kayo maisa-isa. But thank you so much for all the support and prayers. And I would like to give all the glory and honor to our God and Creator. Thank you.
Alright, once again, a round of applause to Dr. Jojo Lesterio Jr. I hope everyone was delighted to hear his testimony.
For more information, contact Evelyn 639-4587-0571. For customer testimonies, visit my website www.greenapplestemcell.com. Like, share us on Facebook. Facebook.com/EdnaLynn1919.